Hey, so I know you are also using Justdial to get more leads for your own business. And I also know that you are still adding the lead details into your Google Sheets manually. So it's time for a change. You can use Pabbly Connect and create a connection between Justdial and Google Sheets within minutes. And if you also want to create this connection, for that you have to watch this video till the end, and without knowing even a single line of programming or coding language, I'll tell you how to do this. But for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create this connection. So to do this, I'm going to open the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So I have already logged in my Pabbly Connect account. If you haven't logged in, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect landing page in the description box below. You can open the landing page and log in your Pabbly Connect's account. And once you come towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, what you have to do is you simply have to follow me. You have to click on this create workflow button and select the workflow builder. So we have two options, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and ideal for those who want a modern interface, while the classic one on the other hand is stable and has a familiar approach and ideal for those who want to try it and test its setup. So you can use any one of this. I'm going to use this new one. So let's go towards the select of the new one. Now for the workflow name, I'm going to enter the name of my workflow, which is add leads from Justdial to Google Sheets. For the folder, I'm going to select my folder over here. If you wish to create a new folder, you can go towards this create new folder button and create your own and save your workflows in that folder. Now after entering the workflow name and selecting the folder, we have to click on this button which says create. And once we click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button, and now for the trigger application we have to select it as Justdial because we are going to capture the lead details from Justdial and add them into Google Sheets, that too without knowing even a single line of programming or coding language. So now let's select the event, which is the trigger event, as new leads and click on this connect. Now in order to create this connection, it has given me the webhook URL. Alright, so what you have to do is to automate the lead capture, you have to copy this webhook URL and configure it in your Justdial account. And to do this, you have to reach out someone from the backend team of Justdial or account manager from Justdial. Because the Justdial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out someone from the backend team and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. And once they add this webhook URL to your account, automatically going to capture the lead details right over here as webhook response, and your workflow will get started. I have already added this webhook URL in my account, so let's click on this capture for webhook response, and now it is saying waiting for webhook response. We're going to capture the lead details over here. Alright, you can see that we have successfully captured the lead details. You're going to see all the details of the lead. You're going to see the first name, the last name, the phone number, the email, the company name and the area. And now I'm going to add these details into my Google Sheets. You don't have to worry, automatically the lead details will be captured as the webhook response once you add this webhook URL in your account. Alright, now let's add these details into our Google Sheets. For that we have to click on this add new action step, and now for the action application we have to search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event we have to keep it as add new row and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, we have two options, add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already created this connection, you can go towards this select an existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. And once we click on this sign in with Google, Pabbly is asking me to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection. So let's select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection. And now you can see that Pabbly is asking me for some permissions. So what we have to do is we have to click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for. Because our data is secure with Pabbly, you can also click on this allow. Your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. So let's move on further. For the spreadsheet, we have to select the spreadsheet in which we want to add the lead details. So you can see the name of my spreadsheet is lead details. So let's select the same over here, which is lead details. For the sheet, we have to select the same sheet in in which we want to add the details once again. Let's move on further now one by one. I'm going to enter all of these details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one I'm going to map all the details which I want to add in my spreadsheet. So as you can see that these are the details. So one by one I'm going to map all of these details, and after mapping these details we have to click on this save and send test request, and once we click on this save and send test request, it is giving me a positive response that we have successfully added these details in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets and going to see that the details have been added within seconds and in real time. The first name, last name, email, phone, city and the company name, exactly the same details which we captured right over here, have been added into our Google Sheets. And now what is going to happen is that whenever we receive a new lead from Justdial, within seconds and in real time the lead details will be added in my Google Sheets. We just have to sit back and relax. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll simply add the workflow link in the description box below. You can use my workflow and create this automation for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.